Hey beachgoers, are you all set with your sunscreen and beach chair? Well, before you hit the sandy shores, let's ensure you're equipped with the coolest beach gear to make your day under the sun even more enjoyable. From clever gadgets to entertaining games, we've got a lineup of must-have items that will elevate your beach experience to new heights of fun and comfort. By the time we're through, you'll be ready for the ultimate beach getaway. Firstly, let's dive right into the essentials you'll need for a perfect day at the beach. Sun 7-foot heavy-duty high-wind beach. Umbrella parasols with sand anchor and tilt sun shelter. This umbrella is not your ordinary beach accessory. It's a game changer. Crafted with durability in mind and boasting UV 50+ protection, it provides ample shade to shield you from the scorching sun. Plus, with its innovative sand anchor and tilt sun shelter feature, it remains steadfast even on windy days, ensuring your beach setup stays secure and comfortable. Next, to keep your refreshments chilled, Coleman Chiller Series 16QT Insulated Portable Cooler. Keep your refreshments chilled and ready for enjoyment with this portable cooler from Coleman. Its sturdy build and efficient insulation make it the perfect companion for beach picnics, camping adventures, tailgating parties, and more. With ample space to store your favorite beverages and snacks, you'll never have to worry about going thirsty or hungry during your beach escapades. Moving on, for sand removal, sand screen. Sand removal. Bag. Say goodbye to the nuisance of sand sticking to your skin with the Sand Screen Sand Removal Bag from Shockalot. Made with talc-free and reef-friendly materials, this ingenious bag gently eliminates sand particles, leaving you feeling fresh and sand-free. Ideal for both kids and adults, it's a must-have for any beach outing, ensuring you can relax and enjoy the sun without the hassle of gritty sand sticking to you. Moreover, for phone protection, higher cool waterproof. Phone pouch. Don't let the fear of water damage ruin your beach fun. With the HairCool waterproof phone pouch, you can safeguard your smartphone from water splashes and sand grains while capturing memorable moments by the shore. Its IPX8 rating ensures complete protection, allowing you to snap photos, listen to music, or even make calls without worrying about water intrusion. Additionally, for relaxation, SZH Luxe Camping. Hammock. Double and single portable hammocks. What's a beach day without a bit of relaxation? Unwind in style with these portable hammocks from SZH Luxe. Whether you're seeking solace amidst nature or simply lounging by the shoreline, these hammocks provide the perfect oasis of comfort and tranquility. Lightweight, durable, and easy to set up, they're a must-have for anyone looking to kick back and soak in the beach vibes. Furthermore, for beach combing, beach mesh shovel with mesh beach bag. Channel your inner beachcomber with this nifty beach mesh shovel from Volleyball. Designed for shell collecting and sand sifting, it's the perfect tool for scavenging for treasures along the shore. Paired with its convenient mesh beach bag, you can store your newfound treasures with ease while keeping your hands free for more beach adventures. Importantly, for safety, DMI 76-piece first aid kit. Safety should always be a priority, especially during beach excursions. That's why the DMI 76-piece first aid kit is an essential addition to your beach bag. Compact yet comprehensive, it contains all the essentials for addressing minor cuts, scrapes, and injuries, ensuring you're prepared for any unexpected mishaps that may occur during your beach escapades. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's turn up the fun with some exciting beach entertainment. To begin with, for music, JBL Clip 3 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. Set the mood for your beach party with the JBL Clip 3 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. Compact, portable, and boasting impressive sound quality, it's the ultimate companion for beachgoers looking to groove to their favorite tunes under the sun. With up to 10 hours of playtime and a durable, waterproof design, you can keep the music flowing all day long, transforming your beach day into a lively fiesta. Moreover, to beat the heat, Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan. Beat the heat in style with the Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan. Engineered for maximum comfort and convenience, this hands-free fan keeps you cool and refreshed while leaving your hands free for other beach activities. Whether you're lounging on the sand or strolling along the shoreline, its bladeless design ensures a gentle breeze without the risk of tangled hair or clothing. In addition, for some flying fun, one Mint's colorful Life Delta. Kite. Take to the skies with Mint's colorful Life Delta. Kite, and experience the thrill of flight against the backdrop of the ocean horizon. Easy to fly and suitable for beginners of all ages, it's a delightful way to add some excitement to your beach day. Watch in awe as the vibrant kite soars gracefully through the air, creating a colorful spectacle that's sure to captivate beachgoers of all ages. Next, for some sporty action, outdoor portable volleyball net system. Set up your own beach volleyball court with the outdoor portable volleyball net system. Complete with adjustable height poles, soft volleyball ball, pump, boundary line, and carry bag, it has everything you need for an exhilarating game of beach volleyball. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual player, this net system guarantees hours of fun and friendly competition under the sun. Lastly, for a fun game, Can Jam Disc Toss Game. Challenge your friends to a thrilling game of disc toss with the Can Jam Disc Toss Game. Perfect for the beach, backyard, park, or tailgates, it's a high-energy outdoor game that promises endless entertainment for players of all skill levels. Work as a team to score points by throwing the disc into the opposing team's goal, or go head-to-head in a competitive showdown that will test your accuracy and coordination. With these essentials and fun gadgets, your beach day is set to be unforgettable. From staying cool and protected with innovative gear, to enjoying music, games, and relaxation, you'll have everything you need for a perfect day under the sun. The AmSun Heavy Duty Beach Umbrella will keep you shaded and comfortable, while the Coleman Portable Cooler ensures your refreshments stay chilled. The Sandscreen Sand Removal Bag and HyreCool Waterproof Phone Pouch add convenience, and the SZHLX Portable Hammocks provide the perfect spot to unwind. Turn up the fun with the JBL Clip 3 Bluetooth speaker, providing your beach soundtrack, and the Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan, keeping you cool on hot days. Enjoy the thrill of flying Mint's colorful Life Delta Kite and challenge friends with the outdoor portable volleyball net system or the Can Jam Disc Toss Game. So, grab your gear, head to the shore, and dive into the ultimate beach experience filled with comfort, safety, and endless entertainment. Whether you're lounging, playing, or exploring, make the most of your beach day and create lasting memories with friends and family. Enjoy every moment and savor the sunshine. Happy Beach Day!